Hello, everyone. Now I will introduce the usage of the HUCEEN AT08 module. AT08 is an 8-channel thermocouple temperature acquisition module. This module supports the connection of S, T, R, E, N, K, and J types of thermocouple signals. In addition, it can also receive voltage signal input. The input voltage range is from -80 mV to +80 mV. The module is connected to the thermocouple sensor and is used for temperature measurement. The input resolution for temperature measurement is 0.1 degrees Celsius or 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit. That is, when the value collected by the module channel is 230. It indicates that the current temperature is 23.0 degrees Celsius. The module has 8 dip switches for completing the module settings. Among them, SW1, SW2, and SW3 are used to select the type of input signal. For example, if the selected type is E thermocouple, then SW1 equals 0, SW1 equals 1, SW2 equals 1. SW5 is used to set the direction of the open circuit detection. Among them, SW5 equals 0 indicates positive open circuit. SW5 equals 1 indicates negative open circuit. SW6 enables open circuit detection. SW6 equals 0 indicates enabling open circuit detection. SW6 equals 1 indicates disabling open circuit detection. SW7 is used to select the temperature form. SW7 equals 0 indicates Celsius temperature. SW7 equals 1 indicates Fahrenheit temperature. SW8 is used to set the cold junction compensation. When it is a thermocouple, the cold junction compensation must be set. SW8 equals 0 indicates enabling cold junction compensation. SW8 equals 1 indicates disabling cold junction compensation. The AT08 module has 2 connection terminals for each channel. For channel 0, the 2 connection terminals are the 0 positive terminal and the 0 negative terminal. When connecting the thermocouple signal, the red wire of the thermocouple sensor, that is, the signal positive, is connected to the 0 positive terminal. The black wire, that is, the signal negative, is connected to the 0 negative terminal. Other unused channels need to be short-circuited. Otherwise, the input channel indicator light and the module indicator light will flash red and alarm. If channel 1 is not used, then the 1 positive terminal and the 1 negative terminal need to be short-circuited together. When using the AT08 module, it is necessary to complete the hardware configuration in the software system block. During configuration, it can be set as AE08. Use the AE08 channels to upload the temperature value. After configuring as the AE04 module, the values of the module's channels parameters do not need any settings and use the default values. After configuration, you can write a PLC program to display the measured temperature value. For example, for channel 4, according to the address generated after the system block configuration as AIW24, with the resolution of the thermocouple module being 0.1. First use the I underline, DI, and DI underline are instructions to convert the value in AIW24 from integer to real number. Then use the multiplication instruction MUL underline R to multiply by 0.1. The obtained value is the actual temperature value. After writing the program, download it to the PLC. The value in AIW24 is 237. After program calculation, the actual temperature value is 23.7 degrees Celsius. When the AT08 module fails, the fault diagnosis can be carried out through the status indicator lights on the module and reading the values stored in the system. The status indicator lights on the module include module indicator lights and channel indicator lights. If the power supply for the module user is absent, then the module indicator lights and all channel indicator lights are flashing red. If there is an overflow alarm or an open circuit situation, then the module indicator lights and the indicator lights of the channels with overflow will flash red. In addition to this, it is also possible to read the array stored in the system memory bytes within the program to implement the fault diagnosis of the module. The system memory mainly consists of the module error memory and the system alarm memory. Among them, SMB9 is the error memory for Module 1. SMB11 is the error memory for Module 2. SMB13 is the error memory for Module 3. And so on. SMW104 is the system alarm memory for Module 1. SMW106 is the system alarm memory for Module 2. And SMW108 is the system alarm memory for Module 3. Taking Module 1 as an example, if the value in SMB9 is 2#10000000, that is, the sixth bit is in the on state, it indicates that the module has a fault. To determine the specific reason for the module's failure, the value of SMW104 needs to be read. If the value in SMW104 is 16#06, it indicates that a break alarm has occurred in the module. The above is the usage introduction of the HUCEEN AT08 module. Thank you for watching.